Alright, so we have a Lexus ES300. This is 2001 model. If you have the same model, or if you have a 3, 4, they're all the same. This car has a bad mount here. This is the dog bone mount. You see how it's broken inside there? So when you put this car into drive, it makes a big bump there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the new mount in there. So it's very simple for this car. What you do is you remove that number 14 there. It should come out very easy. And then you remove the one back here also. This one right here. Once you have it loose, you should be able to get it out by hand. Same thing with the top one. This engine isn't going anywhere. This is just like a torque mount. So it's pretty tight. He's putting a lot of force into this. Put the impact gun. So we're gonna get the impact gun and we're gonna impact that out of there. So this is number 14. This is what we're removing. When you put this in, it's not gonna align, so you might have to pull the engine a little bit to get the bolt in its place. All right, so we got the gun on there right now, and we're gonna impact that out of there. That's all it takes. One little hit, or maybe another hit. There you go. So you might have a different bolts. You want to make sure which one goes where. The little one goes in the back here, and the other one goes in the front here. You see this mount is gone, totally gone. It's broken into 2 pieces. Alright, so that's garbage. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this mount, we're gonna stick it in there. And you want to get this line to the hole there. This is the first one. There you go. And this little bolt, the little small bolt, goes in the back here. You want to catch a couple of threads. You don't want to tighten this all the way yet. You can wiggle it to catch the threads. Sometimes it doesn't line properly. So if you move it around a little bit, it should line up. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take this bolt. This is a longer bolt. This goes on this end. So this one's pretty easy. It's already lined, I think so. So there you go. He has it already. So the thread's already on. And he might have to wiggle it around a little bit, move it around a little bit. These mounts, they will break very easily. After 5-6 months, they just break. You know, they don't make them that good. And but this takes a lot of beating because all the torque of the engine is hitting there. So that's it, nice and tight. And he's gonna tighten that one, and that's it. That's how you change the dog bone mount on the 2001 Lexus ES300. That's it.